First we have to remove the head part, then this tail, then this body. After that you can cut in a knife, you can remove the black color, that intestinal part. This is around half kg. If you are new, you are getting scared how to clean, don't worry. First you press little and remove this head part, then this tail part, then the body. This is very easy. Slowly you can get practice. In 500 you can see 500 waste. 250 gram it will go in waste, and 250 gram only we can get, because the head, that shells, everything, it will be half. It's almost ready. This is the last one. You can see we got this much, around 20 pieces. Now we will wash it thoroughly. Now you can see all prawn is neat and clean. You have to cut slowly and you can remove. So full this has to be removed and you have to throw. Thank you.